How to log in into Capital One bank account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in capitalone.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Capital One. Now from this page, you can easily log into your account. Capital One Financial Corporation is an American bank holding company specializing in credit cards, auto loans, banking, and saving accounts headquartered in Amseline, Virginia, with operations primarily in the United States. It offers popular credit cards with rewards that are easy to redeem. Its cards typically have low or no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and rewards that can be redeemed with no minimum. So over here, you'll find this section of username and password. Firstly, type in your username. Likewise, type in your password. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you type in credentials of your account, you can click on the option of Sign In, and with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option of Set up Online Access and create your account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log in into Capital One bank account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.